Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your AusPost Everyday Mastercard account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your AusPost Everyday Mastercard account, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address everyday.car.auspost like this, and you turn enter, and then you'll be directed to the login page of the AusPost directly like this. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your card number like this, and after that, after entering your card number, simply enter your email address with which you have signed up for AusPost Mastercard. And of that, enter your password guys like this. But if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says to forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your account's password. And with that being said guys, and if you want the computer to remember you, simply click on the remember me button like this. And after entering all your password and your email address, simply click over here where it says I'm not a robot, in order to verify that you're a human. And the login button will be available to you like this. And now after entering your email address, your password, and verifying you're not a robot, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Australian Post or your everyday Mastercard account of the AusPost. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.